Hi everyone, welcome to this year's Advent VB kit called Academia. I was inspired by the dark academia aesthetic that I've been seeing a lot lately. I wanted to give this kit a little spin and treat this box like it was a kit you would receive when you attend VB Academy. If there was a VB Academy. This video does have spoilers, so if this kit is a holiday gift or you want to be surprised, I would exit this video now. If not, keep on watching. As you open this beautiful box, you'll see everything is inside. Everything is individually wrapped. Here is a little seal to make sure everything is together. And you have 12 little wrapped goodies. Maybe 13. Hint, hint. This is your journal card for this kit. And then I just want to point out this is day one. So you might be wondering where's day one if the tag is not showing it. It just says the VB logo. But that one is day 1, 2, 3, and then so on. It is a jam-packed Advent that's beautifully wrapped. So let's start to this one's 12. We'll get to that one at the end, but let's start opening up these little packages. Let's start with day 1. For day 1, you'll probably need some scissors to cut the strings. I wanted this one to look like a little package, and I've been working on this product for a while now, ever since a previous one was released in another Advent, but this is a new VB Tote. It is a different shape than the previous block one. It's really nice and roomy. It has this clasp so you can hook it to your supply envelope pouches that sometimes you get in VB kits. But I really like the shape. It sits nicely like on your desk. It has pockets on the front, a pocket in the back. And it fits the VB planners really nicely. I made sure that your VB planner had its own little home in the VB tote. This is a great little tote to keep at your desk. You could bring it around the house with your favorite and must-have planner supplies, so you can do some on-the-go planning. And now let's start with day 2. Okay, so day 2 is you probably know if you're familiar with VB Advent kits, just based from the bag. So this is the Academia is about to give a clue. This is the Academia VB pen. So the paint is I like to call it like a cocoa brown with a glossy metallic finish. It has gunmetal hardware, and the crystals are really pretty. It's a mix of a light gray, a dark golden brown, a golden brown, and a clear. So that's the Academia VBKit pen. Okay, so for day 3, can you guess what might be in this box or in this bag? It is 2 washi tape. So in every VB kit, you still get your 15mm and your 7.5mm. This one is a larger one, the 15mm, and it has like a the flower spread that you saw on the bag of the pen. I really like this pattern, so I wanted to feature it in the washi tape. So that's the 15mm washi tape, and then the 7.5 is a grid washi tape. We always need grid, especially when, if you're a journaler out there. I love using grid washi tape, and these have kind of a bronzy finish. So for day 4, wonder what day 4 is. It is the kit sticker book and the sticker pack. So I actually cut the first page of the first sheet of the sticker pack just because it was going to give away the other pens, so I didn't want you guys to see that in the video. But you still get your 8 sheets in the sticker pack, and then this is the sticker book. I really love the bronze foiling that came out in this, that really showed up, I should say, in the sticker book. So pretty with these dark colors. Like, look at the icons here. I love that. So same layout as all the rest of the sticker books. And if you purchased a VB planner, these will definitely fit the VB planner. I love using the journaling sheets that are in the VB sticker book for the VB weeks. Those were great. And don't forget, there is a dedicated page in the sticker book just for your VB weeks. But you can definitely mix and match. Like this journaling sheet, I always love using this for my VB weeks. Okay, so it is time for day 5. This bag does look familiar, so you're probably guessing it's a VB pen. You are correct. This one is called Ivy League. It is a olive ivy green paint. Has a glossy metallic finish. It has gunmetal hardware, and the crystals are a mix of olive, dark golden olive, and clear crystals. Very unique pen. Okay, let's go to day 6. Day 6 probably is one of my favorite items in this kit. A lot of you have requested for more enamel pens. So this is kind of like a flower, an oval flower enamel pen. There's 2 pins on the back, and I designed it so you can decorate your VB tote. Isn't that fun? So don't forget, it has 2 pins in the back so it secures it. And look at how pretty is it. Just very simple, just gold and white. But look how pretty it stands out. Okay, day 7. Okay, so day 7 you get 2 items. And they're 2 specialty tapes, I should say. So let's go through both of them. I haven't had these designs in my shop before. This one's a stamp washi tape. I know you've probably seen it from other shops do kind of a stamp style, and these have artwork from the kit. And then this one is called pet tape. It's a type of clear tape. And this one's really pretty. It has more of a frosted finish than a pure clear. And you just take off the backing, and you can use it as decorative tape for your journaling. I'm really into this pet tape lately. I really like it. If you like it, let me know, and we'll add some more to kits. And I'm thinking about making them wider as well. Okay, gosh, day 8. We're already on day 8. You probably already know what this one is already. So, I was too excited and I tore open the bag. So, day 8 is another VB pen. This one is called Cambridge. It is a warm gray paint with more of a glossy metallic finish, gunmetal hardware, and the crystals are a mix of a light gray, a gray beige, and mauve. Super unique crystal mix. Day 9. What is in package for day 9? It is a bits and pieces pack. I know a lot of you love these little packs. I always try to make them different with every kit, but this one's full of stuff. So you get the clear stickers, and then clear stickers from artwork from the kit. There's a lot of them. And then you get these little kind of blank layering pieces like cards and notepads and library cards, so you can layer them like I'm showing you here. Oh, that one's a postcard. That one's super cute. And I added some acetate sheets that are 3x4, so you can do a bunch of journaling, layered journaling, and it'd be really cute to put like a wax seal right here, or you could put like a little saying, do some calligraphy, some brush lettering. Be super creative with this. Goodness, I can't believe we're already on day 10. Okay, so day 10 is another product a lot of you have requested, and it is a magnetic charm, an enamel and magnetic charm. This one is like a design with a book with flowers coming out of it. Really pretty. And you can add it to your tote, as I'm going to show you here. But be very careful because it's not like the enamel pin. It's not as secure. But a lot of you like to put it for your VB clutches. So this one's the clutch wallet in almond beige. And then you just put the magnet right to the back, and there you go. Look how pretty that is with against the almond beige. So day 11. You might be wondering what this is. I want to say it's a kind of a new product, but kind of not a new product. So, you're very familiar with the VB Weeks Planner Notebook. This one is just a VB Weeks notebook. So this isn't a planner, but I guess you can make it a planner, especially if you like bullet journaling. This is just note taking. So it has lines, it has dots, it has grids, and then there's blank pages. So you can do basically anything. You can doodle, you can sketch, you can watercolor, you can plan things out. So I guess you can use it as a planner. You can journal in it so many different ways. I wanted to create something that was more universal, and you can make it your own, and you get a clear cover for it. This clear cover does fit the VB Weeks planner, so if you want to do that instead and put this in your VB clutch, you totally can. I like to call this color suede. So, I forgot to mention, there is a pen loop here too in the back where you can put your favorite VB pen or a VB pen that matches, or your VB pen of the week, whatever. And it does slide right into the VB clutch with the clear cover on. I really like it. So this is going to be your everyday notebook, your anything notebook, I should say. And there you go. Again, this wallet clutch is in almond beige, if you guys are wondering. Now we are at the end. Or are we? This one is day 12. This is a acrylic charm. And I wanted to put this in the front of the package just because if I put this inside, you guys might lose it and think there's nothing because it is fairly small. So it's like a little charm for whatever is inside, and we'll get to that. Isn't that flower really pretty? So we are going to open up the bag, and you get a matching organizer pouch to match your new VB tote. Look at that. Look how perfect it is. So matching, perfect match. This organizer is very, very roomy inside. You can stuff this to the max. It has little compartments, and it has this divider insert. And let me show you how to use this. This is where you're going to organize and lay out your highlighters, your markers, your pencils, and of course your VB pens. So I'm just going to add some highlighters here. I love these highlighters. I've been into highlighting a lot into my planning routine. And then I'm going to add the new VB pens. So Academia, Ivy League, Cambridge. And you can still add more, and there's a little pocket on the back, but that goes right inside. And see how much room you still have, and once you kind of lay it out, it will just stand on its own when you get everything inside. But yeah, look how perfect that fits. And then I'm gonna add some sticker sheets and the sticker book. You could probably fill at least 4 sticker books in here. And then totally the pockets as well. So that is the new organizer. I have to give this a name. I think I'm going to call it, a canvas organizer. That's what I'm going to call it. Canvas organizer pouch. And here I'm just stuffing it because I want you to see it stand up by itself. And there's still a lot of room. Very, very functional to keep all your journaling and planning supplies all in one place. So it's super organized in your planner tote, your new VB planner tote. And you're just gonna, this is where the acrylic charm I just wanted something decorative. You don't have to if you can place it somewhere else, but I thought it would make a really great little touch to this canvas pouch. These are so hard sometimes for me to put on, but I'm happy I did it with my nails on. Usually it takes me forever. But yeah, there you have it. Your canvas organizer pouch. Okay, then I want to show you how it fits inside. So it fits perfectly right in there. Oh, I love this tote. I love it. It literally sits on my desk and I have my planner in there and everything. Okay. Oh, bonus. Did you guys know I have a bonus? I have a surprise for you. Yes. So it's a 4th pen that you get in this year's Advent VB kit. Okay. This one is a unique pen. It is called Poetic. It is a, I want to call it like a light latte beige color. Same thing with the glossy metallic finish. But look at the crystal chamber. It's not crystals. They're clear beads. Cool, huh? Very, very different. I wanted something different to add to your VBPen collection. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up this year's VB Advent kit. It is jam-packed. I hope you guys like it. We didn't have one last year, so it was nice to get back into doing an Advent for this year. Thank you guys so much for your support for 2022. I can't wait to see what 2023 holds for all of you and for VB. It's going to be a great, great year. Have a great holiday season, and thanks again for watching. Thanks for your support. Love you guys. Bye.